Today, we'll show you how to connect a Bluetooth multimeter to an Android host. All you need is a 2900C Bluetooth multimeter and the T100 Plus main unit. First, turn on the 2900C Bluetooth multimeter by switching it from OFF to any mode. Then, press and hold the SEL button until the Bluetooth icon appears. Next, power on the T100 Plus and tap diode to enter the main menu. Swipe right and select Multimeter. Turn on auto connection and the T100 Plus will automatically connect to the 2900C Bluetooth multimeter once connected when you change the function. On the 2900C, the T100 Plus will synchronize and display the same function in real-time data. Two-stroke test. Dwell angle test. Battery test. Indicator light test. Pulse test. DC voltage test. Resistance test. Duty cycle test. NCV test. Capacitance test. Temperature test. HFE test. DC test. Everything is displayed clearly, making operations simple and convenient. Thanks for watching.